Appeals are not quick, they take a long time. I wish I could tell you, oh, it will be 2 months, 3 months, a year, but I can't. I have seen everything from just a few months for a really fast expedited appeal when it was a custody determination that was very time sensitive to something taking a heck of a lot longer than a year. The reason is the appellate court doesn't really have a timeline by which they absolutely must issue their finding and opinion. And sometimes it's fast and sometimes it's slow. So I can't tell you how long it's going to take. As for how much it's going to cost, that also really depends. Is your case one where a cross appeal was filed? So not only you have to put on your own appeal, but you have to defend against somebody else's appeal? And how many days of trial transcript are we talking about here? Are we talking about a 2-day trial or are we talking about a 10-day trial? Because that is a huge difference in the volume of information that you have to present to the appellate court and that you have to comb through to find any little opportunities for either appeal or defending an appeal. And finally, the other thing that is a big cost factor is how many questions presented. What do I mean by questions presented? These are the questions that you are asking the appellate court to make a determination on. If there are 1 or 2, your appeal is going to be a lot less expensive than if there are 5. So these are things that go into it. We're usually able to give a better idea of costs when you come in and tell us what your concerns are, or if you come in and say, hey, the other side filed an appeal, this is what their concerns are, and here's how many days of trial, and here's how many pieces of evidence were admitted, we're able to give you a better idea. So I'm sorry for the lawyer answer, but it really does depend.